Hey everyone, let me share with you a quick trick that helped me to clean up 90 GB of storage from my MacBook. So what happened? Um, I use a lot of softwares and a bunch of things in my computer, and these created a bunch of files in my computer that you know uh, take up a lot of storage, and I was like wondering why my storage is getting full. Even you cannot, if you wanted to see the details in MacBook, you cannot see the whole things, whole pictures, like why you are getting the storage is getting full. You will get a few overviews, but for the most of the files, you won't able to see why the storage is actually getting full. Um, so if like just come over here and what the heck? Okay, ST. Okay. Here you'll see the storage, right? But let's say document shows like 63 GB of storage for documents. So if you go there, you won't able to like see like why like it takes documents are taking 69 GB or something like that, because the largest file only have 4 or 5 files, and these are not even more than 2 GBs of each file. So in this case, what I did, like, I clean up 90 GB of like files from my computers, and so what I did is just install Codex. I did these things using Cloud Code before, but Cloud Code is like you have to have a subscription to use the cowork. But in Codex, like it's free, so you can do that with in Codex. So what I did is just give it a short prompt. I ask like, please check why my computer storage are getting full and what are the necessary thing that makes the disk full. So it analyzes everything, and I give the full access. Let me share. Like here you can see, I give it the full access of my computer so that it can like run everything. And I ask it, and then after a bit, it analyzes the computer. It runs commands behind me, and and figured it out. It's figured out like there are a lot of things that actually you know uh, wa- taking the storage, most of the storage. So it gives me the list, and then I ask it right to delete whatever I wanted to delete, and then it just deleted all of these things for me. So this is how you can actually remove your unwanted files from your computer and clean it up. So yeah, that's it. You can try it out now, right now. Thanks.